Ladies and gentlemen, aloha! Thank you all for being here today to celebrate the love between my sister Chinkee and Matthew.
I am the best man and yes, the taller brother. Growing up with Matt meant I had someone I could always count on. He's thoughtful, loyal, and has this quiet strength that never asks for attention, but is always there when it matters.
We set out at the first light.
He's the kind of brother who has your back without needing to say a word. And then came Chinkee. I remember the first time I saw them together, I've ever seen my brother smile so effortlessly. Chinkee, you brought out this version of him, and it's even more open, more alive, and frankly more fun. You two balance each other perfectly. Chinkee, your spark and warmth. Matt, your calm and heart. It just works. Chinkee and Matthew, may you keep growing, keep laughing, and keep choosing each other every single day. Cheers.
Seeing you walk down the aisle in a beautiful dress towards the love of your life is truly one of my childhood dreams coming true. May you always find reasons to laugh together, support each other's dreams, and cherish the beautiful connection you share. I love you, cheers, and congratulations.
From this